What is up, guys? Welcome to today's market recap. Today, I didn't take anything. Had a neutral bias going into the day. We were in range bound conditions, so I said, okay, we have liquidity both to the upside and downside. So I'll just wait to see where we start displacing towards. And we ended up just displacing higher. We ended up leaving relatively equal lows here, so that was a bit sketchy. And we ended up just displacing higher with no entry. There was this possible 5-minute inverse, but it was also inside of a 15 minutes, so I can't really take that. Um, I did see this potential continuation trade. It's not the way that I trade, so I just like forward tested it, and it's something that I might maybe start trading. I'm a back tested and stuff. And it's continuations like this when we have such an obvious bias. We're clearly displacing higher. We trade into a lower time frame gap, like a 3-minute, and we get an order block on the 1 minute like this, with a strong closure like this. They have a lot of conviction on this playing out, but it's not my strategy, so it's not something I can take. We ended up just placing higher, and we had all of this Russell liquidity. And said, okay, I can take continuations as long as we don't take out this high here, which is an hourly intermediate high and also a 4-hour intermediate high. I never got an entry for continuation longs. As you can see, it was just straight fucking up, no entries at all. So when you look at this, there's on-field 5-minute, on-field, on-field, on-field. I guess this was field, but we ended up having an on-field 15-minute here. So once we swept this key level, this high inside of a gap, I said, okay, I'm gonna take no continuation, a make short, which is a kind of reversal play targeting on-field gaps after such a big move. Like after a big move, you can expect some sort of kind of retracement to fill the gaps, and then you can expect chop, right? So the mech is just trying to catch the what is it? The what is it called? The the rebalance play or whatever. I forgot what his name, the name, but yeah. And so I was looking to take this 1-minute inverse here, just cause we had pumped over like 400 points, yeah, like 400 points. So I wanted to see this fair value gap get inversed with displacement, and we never got that. I mean, I guess we did inverse it, but we ended up putting a lot of LR, a lot of chop, so the delivery just really wasn't good. Now there was a higher time frame inverse being this 2-minute, and it's not bad. The close is pretty good. We put in an order block and everything, and it is a higher time frame, so you could have taken this, stop above the other block, stop above the order block right there. And this would have been a break-even trade most likely, because we ended up opening up this 15-minute fair value gap here. So you'd have had to go and break even there eventually, and it would have been a break-even trade, which is really fucking annoying, but yeah. The delivery was pretty bad, but the idea was there and it was pretty good. But I'm just not gonna take anything on this chop. And if we had gotten like better displacement through this gap here, I would have taken it. But yeah, and there really wasn't anything else. It was way too late into the session. So yeah, that is it for today and peace out.